S2A Modular is the future of housing.
In the traditional stick-built world, the amount of time that it takes is 12 to 18 months to build a simple 2,000 square foot home.
S2A Modular is leading the pack in helping to solve the housing issue. We can build a home in a controlled environment, and we're not affected by the outside elements.
Inside of a factory, it's first shift, second shift, third shift, first, second. It doesn't stop. We can build a 2,000 square foot home in 7 days.
What we're doing in the industry is kind of unheard of. We reinvented the system of building and deconstructed it to be more efficient. We designed the factory for no interior supports and a clear span. So now we don't have to work around anybody else's building columns. It's all open wide, and you can have the flexibility.
The factory we built here right now that we're sitting in is our flex line. So it's able to do residential, commercial, and anything else that we could probably throw at it.
Nobody really can produce the size that we do. We can build an ADU up to a 5-story apartment building, 300, 400, 500 apartments, and we can do anything we need in the factory. And that's one of the exciting things about S2A. The level of customization we do is unsurpassed in the country. It comes down to people and processes.
We have this home that comes down the production line while the floors are being built, the walls are being built at the same time, the cabinetry is being installed.
We do all the inspections here at the factory.
They're here in the plant when we're doing mechanical, electrical, plumbing, framing. They're just all in one location. It's better for the environment, it's better for your community, it's going to save you money in the end.
The sustainability is natural for us. We have our own solar panels and the help of a Tesla Megapack. We can run this factory completely off-grid.
We have very little waste. We are the lowest carbon footprint mass producer of homes.
My goal is to have all my family's homes built by S2A.
In the future, this is it. This is going to be the next generation's home. And I'm excited to be at the forefront of that.